What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Lake Vacation Day 3. Okay guys, so me and Michael are about to do the the worm thing where he's gonna swim out the worm, but right now I'm the DC throwing a bull gill because I only got one bite on the Senko today and it wasn't really, I don't even know what it was. I didn't even get it up.
Alright guys, so first I'm gonna get a worm. That's my worm. This is a hook, bro. Next, look. Stop. Yes he did. He swam. Oh, I just saved that fish's life. Oh, there we go. He's alive now. So let's pop this in. SDP in. I stabbed my foot. I just stabbed my foot. It went straight. Oh, to the bee chasing me. Oh, buddy. Yeah. Ow! Yeah,
The one that jumped was a little.
Ow. Do I stop recording now?
Can I stop recording?